Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Solder Wire Welding Flux Iron Cable Review 2025.
Number 4.
This lead-free flux-cored solder wire features a low melting point of 217 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for precision soldering. Composed of SN 99.3 Cu 0.7, it ensures strong, reliable joints with excellent conductivity. Perfect for electronics, circuit boards, and delicate components, it provides clean, efficient soldering with minimal residue.
Number 3.
The Mechanic TYV866 solder wire is a high-purity, environmentally friendly option with a 183 degrees Celsius melting point and mild rosin core for smooth, clean soldering. Available in 0.2 to 0.8 mm diameters, it's ideal for electronics, circuit boards, and cable welding, ensuring strong joints, minimal residue, and efficient conductivity.
Number 2.
The Baku Rosin Core Solder Wire is a tin lead-free option available in 0.2 mm to 0.6 mm diameters with 2% flux content for smooth melting and strong joints. Ideal for electronics repair, circuit board soldering, and DIY projects, it ensures high conductivity, low spatter, and reliable performance in precision applications.
Number 1.
Product sell points. Soldering wire mild rosin core 1.2 soldering wire multiple diameter options. Choose from 0.3 mm to 1.2 mm diameters to suit various soldering needs, enhancing precision and control. High-quality rosin core features a mild rosin core for superior fluxing action, ensuring smooth and reliable soldering. Ideal for electronics repair, perfect for iPhone and Samsung repairs. This soldering wire is designed for precision in electronic work.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.